Let me show you a quick demo of VideoExpress version 3.0. The first thing I'm going to show you is the image to video consistent character cinematic videos with lip sync like this.
Create big budget films of yourself while sitting in your pajamas at home.
Just drop the image that you want for the consistent character, enter the image prompt that you want to generate, click on the create image. Once the image is created, you just say who the actor is, what do you want him to say. Here is create big budget films of yourself while sitting in your pajamas at home. Click create, boom, done. You can even create consistent character videos with multiple characters talking. Like you can see here, actor 1 and then actor 2, and then generate an image out of it like this. And then you can turn this into a cinematic film like this.
We need affordable AI for everyone.
Corporations have to make a profit for their investors.
VideoExpress version 3 is built for customers, not your greedy investor.
All you have to do is in the video prompt, type in what each actor will be saying. For example, actor with the mustache is saying we need affordable AI for everyone. And then again, he replies back saying VideoExpress version 3 is built for customers, not your greedy investors. And then you're going to scroll down and click on the create video option and you're done. All you have to do is in the video prompt, type in what each actor will be saying. For example, actor with the mustache is saying we need affordable AI for everyone. And then again, he replies back saying VideoExpress version 3 is built for customers, not your greedy investors. And then you're going to scroll down and click on the create video option and you're done. You can do the same thing with 3D cartoon images like this, where you can convert them with two, in this case, dogs talking. And as you can see here, it says, bro, I'm telling you, the mailman is not your enemy. And then you can type in what they need to speak. And then you just go in and click create video. Let me show you how this looks like.
Bro, I'm telling you, the mailman is not your enemy. He brings treats sometimes.
No, you don't get it. He comes every day. Same time. That's suspicious. I bark because I care.
You can even create consistent character videos for 3D, realistic animals, objects with an input image and with sound effects. So I put a dinosaur image in, I made it breathe fire, and then I just type in my prompt here that it just goes in, it breathes fire, and then it goes to sleep, and then create video. This is how it looks like. You can also make professional narrative style videos with cinematic short films with a consistent character, where I put this 3D gentleman here, it was a watchmaker, then I prompted to have him having a side-facing shot with a candle beside him. Then I gave a video prompt and what I wanted him to do, for example, the actions, and then I picked on the narration video right here, where you can then choose that and then put in what text-to-speech or audio you want to use, and then you click on it, import speech, and whatever I type in here will be spoken as a background narration audio. And click narration video and you're done. Let's see how that looks like.
With the rise of modern-day technologies, the ancient wisdom of watchmaking was slowly dying, and with it, extreme attention to detail and quality also died.
You can also do advanced timestamp based prompting, where you can cut to multiple scenes and detail them like so, where I can just paste in the text to video where I tell it from 0 to 3 seconds do this, from 5 seconds to 8 seconds do this, where the counter edge with the kitchen floor dropping away like a cliff. Then I say from 8 to 10 seconds, where in the point of view style here that this runner is basically going away from a fire hydrant and slides under the arc of water, and you go super detailed, and then you can just click on create video. Let me show you how that looks like. You can use our smart edit, outpainting, inpainting features to remove elements from the image, stretch the image, shrink the image, and that sort of thing. So in this particular case, I have the candle in the image. I told the actual instruction to remove the candle and it got removed from the image. And then you can even turn this into a realistic photo or a realistic photo into a cartoon style photo. For example, I can say, make the man into a realistic portrait photo, and then I'm going to select human, and then I'll show you create image, and here you go. It generated me a realistic portrait of that same 3D cartoon style watchmaker. Through prompting, you can do zoom, pan, cinematic rotation, glitch effects, and everything you can imagine, including different styles like claymation, 2D, anime, 3D style, and even where, because of the timestamps based editing you can do, you have granular control on how you want the scene to actually come out, which is gonna give you a lot of control. And once you're happy with what you see, you can pick landscape or portrait and just drag and drop the scenes into the timeline editor like so, and create beautiful cinematic films that you can export and publish anywhere you desire. There's step-by-step video tutorials for every single feature in the tutorials page in the members area. I look forward to seeing you use VideoExpress and start creating amazing videos with it.